Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing about the isometric drawings, isometric objects. Okay, so what are isometric drawings? So this is a basic general process in which all the 3D models have been drawn with the help of 2D commands only. Okay, so generally isometric drawing means using isometric commands. It is one of the simple way to draw a 3D representation by using 2D commands. Okay, so this has been usually way of doing things before the CAD allowed 3D work to be done. It means in the past where we doesn't have any 3D basic workspace, 3D modeling workspace, then using this 2D commands only the 3D representation of drawing can be determined. Okay, isometric drawings, it is used to give more information to a 3D view orthographic drawing. That means, so using this we can view the different views of an object. Okay, so first of all let us enter into this and I will show you how, in this class we will be seeing a basic designing of a isometric drawings. Okay, so that means basic designs of isometric modeling. Okay, so for that, first of all let us create here units, dimensions and limits. Okay, so for that click on here UN, let it be loaded. Here you can see the units will be given here. Okay, click on this units and here in units you can go and select whichever the units I want. So here I am selecting decimal units and I am selecting precision as 0.0 only, and next I am clicking on OK here. Okay, next we have to go for this dimensions, time style, click on this enter option here. So here you can see this is given in this way. Okay, so for that what we have to do is we have to edit this one. If you want to edit, you can go for this modify option here, and in modify option, okay, in modify option if you want to take any units of different ones, different, then we will be going for this and precision and unit format will be selected. Okay, next click on OK. Okay, click on close. Next we will be going for the limits. Okay, so for that let me give this limits, click on LIM enter. Okay, limits are given as 0, 0 enter and 100, 100 enter. Okay, so the limits and the units and dimensions has been given. So next work is that to draw the isoplane, but before that we have to select the plane whichever you want. Okay, so I am going here and selecting isoplane left and let us click on this. So here you can see the plane has been given. Okay, so in this workspace we can choose for the different types of that one. Okay, so further let me select this one. Okay, I am going to on this F8 option here. Okay, so let me select all the points are there or not. Okay, so here you can see all of them are there. Okay, okay. From here to upward with a certain dimension, so I am giving it as 4. Click on enter after we have given that, let me give this one. Here I am showing only the sample one. Okay, so for that, let the distance from here to here be 4 only. Okay, click on enter option here. Okay, next we have to go here, and here also I am selecting it as 4 only. Click on enter, and next let me join this to this one. Okay, let me join this to this one. Click on escape option here. So here it has been drawn. Okay, next what we have to do is we have to give this, let us give this to this side also. Okay, so for that, let me see if it is able to draw here. So here you can see it is not going towards the right side. So here I am selecting this ISO left, and I am selecting here ISO top, or also I can select this ISO plane right. Okay, so let me select this one. So here you can see it is being given. Okay, I am selecting here, it is a distance as 4 mm, and click on OK option here. So here it has been given. Upward also I am taking it as 4 mm only. So this downward here I am also giving it as 4 mm. Okay, so here it has been given. Okay, next what we have to do is we have to draw the lines here. Okay, so for that, let us go here and let me select this one, and let us see it. So here you can see it is given. So here click on this 4 option. Okay, here it has been given. Next you have to give to this side. Okay, so click on escape option here. So here you can see we have drawn a cube. Next we will be drawing this as a isometric one. Okay, so further let us draw the circles from this end and from this end. Okay, so let me see which, so it is in isoplane right. Okay, okay, so let me draw here a circle. So for that I am selecting a center one. So here I have to specify the endpoint of an ellipse. I am clicking it as the endpoint of an ellipse, and I am selecting it as another endpoint. Okay, okay, here you can see it is giving in different directions. Okay, you can also go here and click on this. Sorry, before that let me go here, and you have to select this iso circle. Okay, click on this iso circle, and we have to specify the center of the circle. Okay, so let me give here the center of the circle has been specified. Okay, clearly you can give the whichever one you want. Okay, so here I am giving it as a diameter as 4. Sorry, the radius of the circle I am giving it as 4. Sorry, 2. Click on this interaction here. So here you can see it has been given. Okay, next what we have to do is we have to copy this circle to this side. Okay, so I am selecting this circle and I am copying this one. So that means let us go here, copy option here, and I am selecting this. Okay, I am selecting this point and I am placing it on this side. Okay, click on this escape. Okay, so next let me copy this same to this side also. Okay, so but for that we are gonna need the isoplane left too. Okay, but before that let us make this isoplane right, and next we will be going for that. So here click on this line option here. Here you can see different options, but we no need to add the tangent here. So let me add the quadrants only. Okay, so for that go here and select the quadrant. Okay, it has been selected. So click on this line option here. Here you can see the quadrant from here to, so the quadrant has been specified. specified, click on escape option here. So here the projection has been given. Okay, so let us give the projection for here also. Okay, so for that but before that we have to clear, that means we have to trim this one. Okay, so for that we can trim this one. Okay, so before that let me draw a small circle. So click on this circle. So click on this iso circle here. We have to specify the center point. I am specifying the center point and I am giving the radius as 2. Sorry, I am giving the radius as 1. Click on enter option here. So here you can see it has been given. So it is not at all looking so nice. So let me give you another circle with the radius of 1. Okay, so click on this one, click on iso circle. I have to specify the center point and I am giving the radius as 1. Click on enter option here. So here you can see it has been given, but let me give this one and let me delete this. Okay, so I am selecting this center point and I am selecting this circle and selecting here iso circle and specifying the center here and giving the radius as 0.5 only. Click on enter option here. Okay, so here you can see the circle has been given. Okay, next what we have to do is we have to delete this line. Okay, so for that click on this option here. Okay, and before that we have to trim this line. So before that we have to trim this line. Okay, so for that go here, select trim option, select on enter here, select this object. Okay, next select this object here, select this one and select this one. Okay, here it has been selected. Okay, so next let us delete this one also. Okay, so for that click on this one and click on delete option here. So here you can see the projection has been given, that means the isometric drawing has been given for this one. So let us draw the rectangle for this one, sorry, triangle. Okay, so for that click on here and we have to give the distance certain as, I am giving it as 4 only. Click on enter option here. So from here to here, so I am giving it here. Okay, so next from here to here we are going to take the line. Okay, so from here to here it will be 4 only. Click on enter option here. Okay, so let me select this one. Sorry. So let me select this option here. Okay, click on this escape option here. Next let us join these both ends. So for that click on this and click on this one. Okay, so it has been given. Okay, so we can also delete these options if you want. Okay, so let me see, on delete option. So let me delete all of this one. So here you can see this is one of the basic isometric projection, okay, which we will be seeing. Okay, so here you can see in this top view. So this is the one which we will be getting. Okay, so in this way the basic isometric drawing will be given. Okay, so if you want you can go here and we can also measure the distances. Okay, So from here to here you can see it is of 2. Sorry, here you can go in line, have to go in line dimensions. Okay, so for that here you can see you are giving it as command as so let me go here and select the circle also. Okay, so you can give different dimensions for that one. Okay. So in this way the basic isometric projections will be drawn. Okay. So in the next video we will be seeing another isometric projections also. Thank you.